I'm a mechanic. Sorry. Can you say where are you from? I'm from Saudi Arabia. My name's Marian. I'm fine. That's my girlfriend. It's a computer under the table. It's 2 o'clock. Very good day. So, does your brother know how to speak English, Day? Does your brother knows how to speak English, Day? He knows how to speak English or no? I see. So, can you? Okay, I'm gonna read it first for you, and then you will read it. Let's try to read the opposites. Listen and repeat. Tall, short, fat, thin, old, young, strong, weak, clean, dirty, big, small, hot, cold, black, white, happy, sad, rich, poor, beautiful, ugly, cheap, expensive. Okay, can you read it for me too? Go there. So very good. So let's try to answer this one. Are you tall or short, babe? Are you tall or short? Are you big or small, babe? You can say, are you tall? What do you think? Are you small or big? Hey, hey. Apay! Nya? Ada klase! Hello? I will go here. Wait for a while. I will be back. Tissue, tissue. Hindi. Ada ko tong buds mo. Awan! Hello, babe. So you're a little big? Okay, so let's try to answer this one. For example, number one, look at Tino. Tino is strong, right? This is Tino Day. Tino is strong. And Johnny is, this is Johnny. Johnny is, yes, Johnny is weak. What about you, Day? Are you strong or weak? Are you strong or weak? Me too. I am weak. What about number two? Barbara. Look at Barbara Day. Barbara is very beautiful, right? And Bernice is? Look at Bernice. Bernice is? What do you think, they? Ugly. Yes, Bernice is ugly. What are you? Beautiful or ugly? You are you beautiful or ugly? Oh, you are beautiful, Day. When someone asks you, are you beautiful? Say yes, okay? Okay, very good. Don't say you're ugly. You're not ugly. You are very beautiful. What about this one? Look at this apple, Day. This apple is very big, right? And what about this one? This pear. The pear is? Yes, the pear is small. So let's try to answer number four. Look at number four, Day. Mr. Bascom has a lot of money while Eddie doesn't have one. So what do you think is the answer? Mr. Bascom is? Mis- Yes, Mr. Bascom is rich. What about Eddie? Yes, Eddie is poor. Let's try to put it here. Mr. Bascom is rich and Eddie is poor. What about this umbrella? The umbrella is? The umbrella is? The umbrella is black. What about the hat? Yes, the hat is white. Very good. Hmm, let's put it again here. Umbrella is black and hat is white. What about Mrs. Morley and Linda? Look at Mrs. Morley and Linda. Okay. Mrs. Morley and Linda. Yes, very good. Mrs. Morley is old. Linda is young. Very good. Linda is young. Mhm. What about this one, the guitar? Try to look at the guitar. It's 5 and 5,000. So what do you think? Look at the guitar. 5 and 5,000. What do you think, Dave? It's sheep and Is it, is it, it it's cheap and it's cheap and expensive. Can you say cheap and expensive? Hold it. Can you say guitar is cheap, violin is expensive? Yes. What about Mr. Pool and Mrs. Pool? Look at Mrs. Pool. Very short. So what do you think? Mr. and Mrs. Pool. Mr. Pool. Mr. and Mrs. Pool, they look at the picture again. Mrs. Pool is very small. Tall and tall and tall and short, right? Mhm. Mr. Pool. Mr. Pool is tall. Mrs. Pool is short. What about you, Day? Are you tall or short? Are you tall or short? Tall, not tall, not short. I see.